Nikola Tesla said, "If you want to find secrets of the universe, think about it in terms of energy, vibrations, and frequency." Today, I am going to discuss 12 laws of universe. So coming straight to the first law, that is the law of attraction. I hope you have read the book written by Rhonda Barney, The Law of Attraction, or you might also have seen the video The Secret. The law of attraction says similar things attract similar things. Positive energy will attract positive energy, and negative energy will attract negative energy. So you have to be very cautious what you are going to attract in your life. You must focus on manifesting positive things in your life, because when you will focus on positive things will occur in your life. Law of attraction is beyond wishing, hoping, visualizing. It's all about feeling. It's not about thinking. It's not about imagination. It's all about feeling. And when you will feel that you have already got that thing what you are attracting, then only you will get that thing in your life. You have to feel as your wish has happened now in the real moment. Then only that thing will come to you in your life. It all depends upon your energy. If you will focus with a very tremendous energy, that thing is going to happen very quickly. But if you will focus with a low energy, then that thing may take time to manifest. So before manifesting anything, you have to be very clear. You have to feel very happy that you have got that thing. It's not about wishing that I want that thing. You have to say, I have this thing. Thank you, universe, for giving me this thing. Then only the law of attraction truly works. So, just feel what you want. The law of attraction will work for you.